PG owners and hostel owners, is your solar water heater supplying enough hot water to every room and the kitchen? If your tenants are complaining about low hot water, slow heating, or no hot water during peak hours, don't ignore it. A simple service can improve water flow, heating efficiency, and overall system performance. Regular maintenance also helps prevent costly breakdowns. Book your solar water heater inspection today with SGR Energy Savers. We provide professional service for PGs, hostels, apartments, and commercial buildings. Call now and keep your hot water running without interruption.